Oh, nice, darling. I'm going to get you. Oh, you got me. Oh, that tickles. Oh, no. Don't do that. Oh, no. Come here, Papa. Here, look at now, big daddy. Oh, that tickles. Oh, yes. Don't do that. Oh, that tickles. Oh, yeah. Oh, no. Oh, nice, darling. I'm going to get you. Oh, you got me. Here, look at now, big daddy. Oh, nice, darling. I'm going to get you. Come here, Papa. Here, look at now, big daddy. Woof, woof, woof. Here, look at now, big daddy. Hey, get over here. Come here, Papa. Bada bing, bada boom. Oh, that tickles. Here, look at now, big daddy. Come here, Papa. I'm going to get you. Uh-oh. Hot diggity dog. Come here, Papa. Here, look at now, big daddy. Come here, Papa.
Muffin.
Punishment na nimo. Punishment na nimo kaki kay imuhang gikaon ang papel. Sit on the air. Gunitin ng papel. Dili magkaon-kaon og papel. Sabot ka? Ha? Bad doggy. Bad kaki. Ayaw pa cute-cute sa mga fans para ibigin. Bad kaki. Ha? Sit on the air ka. Kay imuhang gikaon ang papel. Sabot ka?
बहुत प्यारा कुत्ता है यार,
बहुत सही है भाई.
बहुत सही है. Tadi break saja. धीरे-धीरे.
Doggy. Don't do that, me. Over here. Uh-oh. He's getting crazy. He doesn't know. He's scratching my entire leg. Hey, Gordo, look at the camera. Look at Daddy. Look at Daddy. Hi, Brian.
Hi.
Hi, Brian. I might be your new dog. 1 year each color. Gordito. Who is Gordito? Beautiful. No, don't bite my glasses.
Don't bite my glasses. Kick your little puppy ass.
Right.
Yeah. He's a. Should I get this puppy?
Okay, I like him. He's crazy. He tries to bite me, and he scratched all my legs, as you can see. I cannot even show you because he's getting crazy. Hey, you crazy pants! Come on, hey, you calm down. Look, he can dance. Okay. He's pretty cute. He's licking me. Right, you're scratching me. Gordo, look, he's this belly. La panza. He's a good boy. He has this, look. He's super cute.
So your answer is?
Yes. Do you want to come with us? Do you want to come with us? Hmm? Do you want to be the new dog? You're like a fun baby, eh?
Okay, I got it. I'm glad you like me. That's good. Well, we have a new adventure coming on for both of us. Yeah, where are you going? Where are you going? Going that way? You're going that way? You're going up into the hills with a crazy guy. You gonna be a good dog? Yeah? You're fat like a little piggy. Just like a little piggy. All right, let's go. Here we go.
He's like a tiny cow.
Good boy.
His first pee.
Good boy.